Before I taught you about introduction to hypertext markup language, and today we are going to proceed from there and dig deeper so that you are able to understand more about HTML. So if you have not watched the introduction to HTML, please go and watch the introduction in the link I'm posting above and practice on what we learned last time. Yes, and that is it. So I'm going to delete this so that we proceed. And today we are going to learn about what exactly is written within the head tag. This is more of an introduction to specifically the head part of the HTML document. So let me delete all these that we did last time as a matter of introduction. And now go back. This should be a refresher that you have to declare the doc type to be HTML5, and then you open the HTML tag, and from there, now we are going to learn about the head part. What exactly in an HTML document or file do we write inside the head tag? This opening head tag and this, what exactly appears here? Here we have, we can have things we call HTML comments. Which is an HTML comment. Whatever appears in an HTML comment is not output to the user or the front end. So we can have that. So I can write like this. We will have the title element. Yeah. And below it, we have the title, African Tech Nerd. So that is one of the elements that are found inside the HTML tag. They don't know the head tag of the HTML document. Then we can have another one. This is also called the meta title, and we will learn later about its importance in an HTML document. Apart from it being seen on the browser tab, we'll also learn about its importance in SEO, which is subject to another lesson. It's a subject to another lesson. Then we have the meta description. A meta description is a text of between 60 and 150 characters, sometimes 160 characters, that describes your document. And this is how you write it. You open like this, you name it as, it's a meta content, is a meta, the name is description, and the content, this is where the text goes. Like that. So this is what you write. Look at it the way I've written it. It's a meta, of course. It's a description. The meta is a description, and the content is welcome to African Nerd, Tech Nerd take NAD HTML web page. So this one should be written to those characters. I've just written that as an example. Other thing is, let me comment and write meta keywords. These and these are called metadata. The meta title, the meta description, and the meta description. The meta description and the meta keywords are what? They are what we call metadata. So this is how you write it. It's a metadata. The name is keywords. Keywords. Look at the way I'm enclosing everything. And the content is this. Then you close that way. So this one is Africa. You write separated by, you can write either key phrases or keywords. Key phrases is a key phrase is 2 or more words. A keyword is 1 word. So Africa NAD tech HTML web page. Whatever keywords that you're going to write to guide what content you're going to write inside your body for HTML document. Another thing that you can write here, let me comment, is how you write comments, is you can write scripts here. Yes. You can write scripts here. You can also write styles here. Yes. And that is it. You can also write icons here, like the graphic con. You can also write Google snippets and so forth. So these are the major for now that I'm going to teach you. Scripts are like JavaScripts that control the behavior, the interaction, events of the web page. We will deal with that deeper so that you understand exactly when we are learning more about JavaScript. So for now, just know that the head tag can have scripts. Yes? And this is how you can write a script like this, which is inside the head like this. So you open and close, then you write your script here. For example, file, yada yada, like that. Var Africa, var text equals Africa, like that. So you write your script inside there, or you include an external script. Yes, an external script is how you include it. Script, SRC, that is the source, is the link path to the script. That's where you write it. And then you simply close there. That is a simple way of adding a script. And then you close the script tag that way. So this one should be closed also. So this should be closed. Script. That should be closed that way. And that is all. So you can include scripts that way. You can include scripts that way. You can include scripts that way, either this way or the external. Likewise, in the header section, you can also include styles. Style is like CSS, which now controls the layout, the look and feel of the web page. And you can include styles like that in the head. Yes, like that. And then you have your styles like this, which we'll learn when we are learning CSS, Cascade style sheet later, whereby you can have maybe NAD div like that, and then you have your no, like that. Then you have your styles like this. We'll learn that later when we be learning about CSS. But generally, you can include in the head styles like that, or external path for the style like this. You can write like this. An external CSS is added this way. It's of course a link, and you add that. I'll teach you about these attributes of the link part. So we have this one is a style sheet, and we have there whatever you are linking to is the path of CSS, and that essentially is how you do it. So in the head, as a matter of summary, in the head, that's where you find the metadata, which is the meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and then we also have the description styles, and those are the major parts of the head of an HTML document. There are other parts which are the other elements, the other tags that you add inside the head tag to form the head element of an HTML document, but these are the main ones, which are the metadata, which consists of the meta title, meta description, meta keywords. And these are how you write them. And then we have the scripts, which you can write this way or this way, or a combination of both. And then styles, which you can write this way in the head, or this, or a combination of both. That is it. Till next time, where we'll dig deeper to more elements of an HTML web page. Goodbye for now. Thank you.